I'm happy that Allah favored me with Islam. I don't know about you. I'm happy. I'm so happy. You know, I was a Kafir. My mother's a Kafir. And that's a hard reality to deal with. When your people pass away, alhamdulillah, barakallah fikum. When your people pass away, you can make up to them what you didn't do them in the dunya. I can't do that. When your people pass away, your people's is Muslim. Your mother's Muslim, your father's Muslim. You can make hajj for them if they didn't make hajj. You can give sadaqah for them if they didn't make sadaqah enough. You can do things for them. My mother passed away, I can't even make dua for her. Do you understand the ni'mah that you have? Kullu nafsin dha'iqatul maut. Every soul is going to taste death, brothers. Have you heard about Islam? Have you heard about Islam? This deen, the newest deen on the planet. It's the best thing out there. The real deal. All we have to do is surrender. All we have to do is surrender and just practice this deen, this beautiful deen. Follow the Messenger of Allah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's who we gave our allegiance to, right? I'm really happy that Allah blessed me to become a Muslim. I hope that you will be happy with the ni'mah that not only did Allah bless you to be Muslim, but He blessed you with a mother and a father, the Muslim, cousins, and family. I wish I saw my father just pray 2 rak'ah, just 1 rak'ah. I wish I had that. You don't know why he's astray. You got a blessing.